Hey friends, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain why Instagram sets ad spending limits and how you can change them the right way without running into issues. These limits are not penalties, they're safety controls designed to protect both advertisers and Meta from fraud, overspending, and billing errors, especially on newer ad accounts. Instagram uses three different budget controls that work together. The billing threshold decides when your card is charged. The account spending limit caps your total ad spend, and individual campaign budgets control how much each ad can use. In 2026, Instagram runs on Meta's AI driven ad auction, which focuses more on relevance and engagement than just high bids, so smarter budgeting matters more than ever. Minimum daily ad spend usually starts at $1 for impressions and around $5 for engagement campaigns. To change your spending limit, the most reliable method is through Meta Ads Manager on a computer. Go to the billing section, find account spending limit, click change, enter your new amount, and confirm it applies instantly. If you're using the Instagram app, make sure your account is set to professional. From your profile, open settings, go to business tools and controls, select payments, then account spending limit, enter your new limit, and save. Over time, consistent spending, valid payment methods, and a clean payment history can automatically unlock higher limits.